Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 August 2018, 00 of hour, 02 of minute and 21 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much horsepower is a train engine? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much horsepower is a train engine. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how much horsepower is a train engine. GE AC 6000 CW. The AC 6000 CW is a 6,000 horsepower, 4,500 kilowatts, diesel-electric locomotive built by GE Transportation. This locomotive, along with the EMDS D90 MAC, is among the most powerful single-engine diesel locomotives in the world. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.